Hello everyone, this is Fatih Erikçi, and today in this video I am going to show you how to make a simple XML application for Cisco IP phones. Cisco IP phones aren't just an IP phone, they also have built-in XML browsers, and by using that, you can make several applications for your IP phones. As you may guess, XML applications run on web servers. IP phones generates an HTTP request to this web server and get XML pages in return. I have to add that the communication between IP phone and the web server is direct, which means that the web server must be accessible by IP phones which will use the services. Cisco IP phones use XML tags to process data. For the supported XML objects, you can see Cisco Unified IP Phone Services Application Development Notes Guide, which you can find it on cisco.com. So let's check the document. In Cisco IP phone XML object sections, as you see, there are many XML objects and they can provide several services. Now let's make a simple XML application which will be a hello world cliché. In my lab environment, I am using CUCM 11.5 for call control and the Linux web server for storing XML pages. Now let's just create a simple page with Cisco IP phone text object. Just open a text editor and enter these. Save this as index.xml. As you see, I use Cisco IP phone text, title, and text objects in here. Cisco IP phone text object defines that this is a text page. Title defines the page title, and text is the text part as the body of this page. Each XML tags need opening and closing tag as in HTML, and the tags are case sensitive. So, let's upload it to our web server. Okay, now let's check if our web server is working by entering the URL to our web server. As you see, we can get the page as an XML document. Now, let's provision this page as an application in CUCM. Go to CUCM administration page and open Device, Device Settings, Phone Services menu. Click Add New. Write your application name in service name field and enter the web page address in service URL field. Click Enable and then Save. After adding the service, you must subscribe your IP phones to that service. To do that, go to Device Phone menu and select the phone you want to enable the service. On the right top corner drop-down menu, select Subscribe Unsubscribe Services. Select the service you created and click Next. Click Subscribe, Save, and close the page. Save the configuration. And then apply config. Now let's check if it's working in IP Communicator. Click Services button, and there you go, our first XML application. You can develop many apps like this by using dynamic web pages and programming languages like ASP, PHP, etc. Cisco IP Communicator is very useful because it supports almost all XML objects and it's very easy to develop services with the soft client. I hope you liked this tutorial and please like and subscribe. Thanks a lot and see you in another video.